Hey guys, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my baby's laundry before she gets here. Seems as if I'm going to have her tomorrow, so I'm going to go ahead, remove the tags from all her clothes and start washing. I'm currently 37 weeks, so I should have done this a long time ago. So this is like a nest with me. So it's like a nest with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby's laundry. And because I've been procrastinating, so I'm gonna go ahead, remove all the tags, separate them in colors, whites and darks. I need one bag of food, and yeah, I'm gonna put the trash in this. So the last time only socks me the bag for everybody, please. Look, these are the socks. The funny sock. You know when she buy they can't go to there. They look with them a little. Did you hear what I'm saying? When next one day? So when I socks. Why you dropping this?
Come here. Come here. Come around.
Now it's time to get this ball rolling. If you're an expectant mom, I hope this motivates you, gives you the courage to get up, get stuff done. As you can see, I procrastinated and it has catch up to me. So I'm going to go ahead, remove every single tags from the clothes. Is it just me or everybody notices that baby's clothes comes with so much tags? I'm going to go ahead, remove every single one. And for me, I love to wash all my baby's clothes before they wear them. I wash the towels, the washcloths, all their clothes, even their headbands. I go ahead, wash those, the socks. Here's a mistake that I make every single time. Instead of washing the clothes as I get them, I like to pile them up and then do one big wash. Pro tip, wash them as you get them. This is going to save you so much time and heartache. One thing for sure and two things for certain, my baby girl, she's always gonna help me out. Colors. These are the little whites I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead and wash the baby's clothes in. Already filled up. So I'm gonna start with the whites. Add the cover. And then I run it for like 15 minutes on so it's gonna wash. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead, wash in this bucket and then rinse in our bathtub, because this is not like a typical washer. You have to go ahead and rinse all that soap out. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash, rinse, and then dry in our regular dryer. And because I'm gonna be wringing the clothes with my hands, it's gonna take multiple cycles to get them dry. After drying all those, I'm gonna go ahead and just sit down and fold. I'm gonna leave all the folding for last, because once I'm down, I'm not gonna get up. So I'm just gonna go ahead, sit down and fold everything. I did about 9 loads, and because this is going to be repetitive, I'm going to go ahead, play some music, let you guys sit back, relax and enjoy. Or if you have stuff to do, just get up and do them. Let this be a motivation to you. Don't get discouraged. As I said earlier, everybody does things on their own time. So if you do not have stuff done yet, please don't be discouraged. Just relax, enjoy your time, or just get up and do something if you want to. Just sit back, relax, enjoy. Here you go, guys. Now that you've made it to the end of this video, please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, just go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the Saunders family. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, this was a whole day's work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.